Have you ever wondered if a simple potato could help grow a lemon tree? Today, we're testing this popular gardening trick step by step. First, choose a healthy lemon branch about the thickness of a pencil. Remove the leaves from the lower section while keeping a few healthy leaves at the top. Next, take a fresh potato and create a small hole in its center. Insert the lemon cutting into the potato so it fits snugly. The potato helps keep the cutting moist during the early rooting stage. Prepare a small cup or pot with drainage holes and fill it with well-draining potting mix. Place the potato with the cutting into the container and gently cover it with soil, leaving the stem above the surface. Water lightly so the soil stays evenly moist but never soggy. Place the container in a warm location with bright, indirect sunlight. Over the following weeks, continue watering whenever the soil begins to dry. Healthy roots should gradually begin to develop beneath the potato. After about a month, carefully remove the plant from the container to inspect the root system. If strong white roots have formed, the cutting is ready for transplanting into a larger pot or directly into the garden. With proper care, regular watering, and enough sunlight, the young lemon plant will continue to grow and eventually produce healthy green lemons. Does the potato really make a difference? Many gardeners use this technique to maintain moisture around cuttings, but success also depends on the health of the cutting, environmental conditions, and proper aftercare.